Hey everybody, Richard Butler here with UltraProX. So yesterday I was able to have an awesome turkey hunt here at KillinBuck Outfitters in KillinBuck, Ohio. Couldn't be happier with the hunt, except for I kind of messed it up a little bit and forgot to look at my main camera to see if the turkey was even in the frame, which it wasn't. So luckily enough, I was able to save my whole hunt and recovered video from the UltraProX cameras, one out in the decoys that caught the bird coming in, caught the shot, another camera that was in the blind with me, covering me as I was calling birds, and another camera that I had mounted on my shotgun with the gun and bow mount, facing back at me, catching my reaction to the shot. So I'm going to play a couple of these clips real quick. First clip I'm going to play is me in the ground blind, just doing a few calls, trying to get this bird back over to me. The following clip will be on my gun with the gun and bow mount, facing back at me as the bird's coming in, and then I'll play the clip of the bird coming into the decoys and me taking the shot. And if you watch closely, you can actually see the wad from the shotgun shell hit the turkey right in the head. Check it out. Here we go. Alright, so there you go. It happens. Sometimes you just don't pay attention to the cameras when you're self-filming, and you see the animal come in and you take the shot. And that's what I did. I didn't pay attention to my main camera at all. But But again, that's why we run multiple cameras, catching different angles. Now UltraProX cameras actually saved my hunt for me, so now I can put together a video and show my friends and family when I get back home my hunt at KillinBuck Outfitters here in KillinBuck, Ohio. If you want to check out these action cameras and you haven't seen them yet, go to www.ultraprox.com. Get yourself an action camera, start playing with it, check out all the accessories that we have for the cameras, gun and bow mounts, waterproof charging cases, power packs to where you can plug the camera in and run them for hours at a time. And if you're looking for a good hunt and you really want a true outfitter that is passionate about what he does, check out Brad Snow at KillinBuckOutfitters.com. Thank you.